What if I told you your bathroom could become the healthiest room in your home, with almost no extra effort? Most people assume houseplants need bright windows and constant care, but that's simply not true. In fact, some of the world's toughest indoor plants absolutely love the warm, humid air created by your daily shower. Even if your bathroom has only a tiny window or no direct sunlight at all, these plants can still thrive while making the space feel like a luxury spa. Better yet, many of them help filter indoor air, reduce stress, and add beautiful greenery to a room that's often forgotten. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 incredibly resilient bathroom plants that flourish in low light and high humidity. Stay until the end, because the final plant is one of the easiest, most colorful, and longest-lasting houseplants you can grow indoors. Let's transform your bathroom into a lush green retreat. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called one of the toughest houseplants on Earth, and for good reason. If you're always worried about forgetting to water your plants, this one practically forgives neglect. Native to dry regions of Africa, the snake plant stores water in its thick, upright leaves, allowing it to survive for weeks without watering. Surprisingly, it also adapts very well to humid bathrooms, making it one of the best choices for this environment. It tolerates low light, although brighter indirect light encourages faster growth. Water only when the soil becomes completely dry, usually every 2 to 4 weeks. Avoid leaving it in soggy soil because overwatering is the only thing that commonly harms this plant. Its striking vertical leaves create a modern, elegant look while adding fresh greenery to even the smallest bathroom. It's the perfect plant for beginners and busy homeowners alike. ZZ plant, if there were an award for the easiest indoor plant to keep alive, the ZZ plant would be a top contender. Its glossy, deep green leaves remain beautiful even in rooms with very little natural light. Hidden beneath the soil are thick rhizomes that store water, allowing the plant to tolerate occasional neglect without losing its healthy appearance. Bathrooms provide the extra humidity that helps keep its foliage looking shiny and vibrant. Water only after the soil has dried completely, usually every 3 to 4 weeks. Because the ZZ plant grows slowly, it rarely needs repotting and requires very little maintenance throughout the year. Place it on a countertop, shelf, or bathroom floor where it receives indirect light. Its architectural shape instantly adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom while demanding almost nothing in return, making it one of the smartest plant choices for beginners. Peace lily. Want beautiful flowers without needing a sunny window? Meet the peace lily. This tropical favorite naturally grows beneath rainforest canopies, so it actually prefers lower light than many flowering plants. The humidity from hot showers helps keep its lush green leaves healthy while encouraging those elegant white blooms to appear throughout the year. Peace lilies also let you know when they're thirsty by gently drooping their leaves, making watering surprisingly easy. Simply water when the top inch of soil feels dry and the plant quickly perks back up. Avoid placing it in harsh afternoon sunlight, which can scorch its leaves. With proper care, the peace lily becomes an eye-catching centerpiece that transforms an ordinary bathroom into a peaceful, spa-like escape. Few houseplants combine graceful flowers, attractive foliage, and easy care as successfully as this timeless indoor favorite. Boston fern. If your goal is to create a luxurious spa atmosphere, the Boston fern delivers exactly that. Its soft, arching fronds spill gracefully over hanging baskets or decorative pots, filling your bathroom with lush, tropical beauty. Unlike many houseplants, Boston ferns absolutely love humidity. In fact, bathrooms often provide the perfect environment because steam from daily showers prevents the fronds from drying out. Keep the soil evenly moist without allowing it to become waterlogged, and provide bright, indirect light whenever possible. If the leaf tips begin turning brown, the plant may simply need a little more moisture. Regular trimming removes old fronds and encourages fresh growth. Although Boston ferns require slightly more attention than snake plants or ZZ plants, the reward is a full, vibrant display of greenery that instantly makes your bathroom feel fresh, relaxing, and professionally decorated. Pothos. Few houseplants grow as quickly or as effortlessly as pothos. Its long, trailing vines can transform ordinary bathroom shelves into beautiful living displays within just a few months. Pothos adapts incredibly well to low light while appreciating the extra humidity found in bathrooms. Although brighter indirect light produces faster growth and more vibrant leaf patterns, it continues growing happily even in dim corners. Water when the top 2 inches of soil become dry and avoid keeping the roots constantly wet. One of the best features of pothos is how easy it is to propagate. Simply cut a healthy vine below a node, place it in water, and new roots will appear in just a few weeks. Before long, you'll have multiple plants to decorate every corner of your bathroom. It's affordable, forgiving, and one of the most rewarding houseplants for beginners. Cast iron plant, its name says everything you need to know. The cast iron plant is famous for surviving conditions that challenge almost every other houseplant. Low light? No problem. Missed a watering? It can handle that too. This incredibly durable plant grows slowly but rewards patience with elegant dark green leaves that stay attractive throughout the year. Bathrooms with limited natural light are one of its favorite indoor locations because the added humidity keeps the foliage looking fresh. Water only when the top portion of the soil becomes dry and avoid exposing it to harsh direct sunlight. Since it grows slowly, it rarely needs repotting, making maintenance wonderfully simple. If you're searching for a dependable plant that looks sophisticated while asking for almost nothing in return, the cast iron plant deserves a permanent place in your bathroom collection. Chinese evergreen. Don't let dim lighting stop you from enjoying colorful foliage. Chinese evergreen is famous for thriving where many other plants struggle. Available in beautiful shades of green, silver, pink, and even red, it instantly brightens bathrooms with limited sunlight. The naturally humid environment helps keep its leaves healthy, glossy, and vibrant throughout the year. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, making sure excess water drains freely from the pot. Avoid cold drafts and direct afternoon sunlight for the best results. This slow-growing plant rarely develops major problems and remains attractive with only minimal care. Whether placed on a countertop, vanity, or decorative stand, Chinese evergreen adds lasting color and elegance to your bathroom. It's one of the easiest ways to create a welcoming, tropical atmosphere without needing constant maintenance. Now you know that even the darkest bathroom can become a thriving indoor oasis with the right plants. From the nearly indestructible snake plant and ZZ plant to the lush Boston fern and colorful Chinese evergreen, each of these resilient plants loves the warm, humid conditions that bathrooms naturally provide. Start with 1 or 2 favorites, learn their simple care routines, and gradually build your own relaxing green sanctuary. You'll be amazed at how much life and beauty a few plants can bring to a small space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest houseplant tips, care guides, and decorating ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more easy ways to help your indoor plants thrive.